Andrew, the car is ready and waiting for you. Then go follow with me, and it is now in the studio.
Great. So Yan, what are the main changes in the car?
The navigator body kit changes the front bumper, headlights, new hood fenders, and the back door, the lights, and the rear bumper. You can have a look.
Wow, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, we.
So
first,
it's here just behind this door, right?
Yes.
So this is the final step.
Let's
Open the door.
first.
Wow, look at that. Is that my car?
Yes, it is.
Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that, you've changed the color. Wow.
You can go around.
Wow, that looks amazing. I love this new color. Look at those wheels.
How are you feeling?
I love it. This is much better than I was expecting when I came here for the first time.
Yeah. And by the way, the Chinese New Year coming, and GBT team invite you to have a trip outside tomorrow.
I will be happy to join your team on that trip, driving my new car.
Yeah. That time there are many the SUV car and many Land Cruiser together.
Okay, that's going to be
The
cool.
car teams.
Yeah, a car team driving together outside here in China. That's great. Thank you so much, Ian.
Welcome.